Hey, time to count my sinking funds and see how much I saved in the month of April. I can't even believe I'm doing this video right now and that it's almost May of 2023. That is absolutely crazy to me. Time just seriously flies by. All right. So I wrote in marker this time because I know the numbers have been hard to see, and I really don't like writing in marker because the point is not as fine as I would like, but I'm going to get over it. And I think this is going to be much easier for you all to see, hopefully. So I'm going to get rolling. I am going to put on a little bit of Sort Quick. And we're going to start with this binder. This is my savings challenge binder, but I have my prime savings in here. It's technically a savings challenge, but I kind of also count it as a sinking fund. So yeah, I count it every month. So we're going to start with that. And so last month in total, we had $3,689. If you watched last month's update, you saw that the money, the math didn't add up, and I still never figured it out. I didn't bother to go back and look, so it is what it is. But I did add up this total again, and it definitely is $3,689. So we'll just see where we are this month. So in Prime, I have $60. We started with 40 and I now have 60. So that is good. So 60, and that is plus 20. And look, like I like to write in green for positive, red for negative, if you haven't noticed that before, but every single fund has something, which is amazing. The minimum, let's see, the lowest I have is $15 in my subscriptions, which I did just recently pay for a bunch of subscriptions, so that makes sense. But like I have money in every single fund, which is wonderful. Okay. Let's get started. Okay, so sewing. Now, Busy Lizzie sent me that sticker of the little girl holding all the fabric. And I was just like talking with her yesterday on the comments. And I was like, oh, wrapping paper at first. And I was like, that's so dumb. Why would it be wrapping paper? But like I haven't sewn anything in so long because YouTube and Etsy basically takes all my time. And it just kind of goes to show like how much sewing is now at the back of my mind. So yeah, I thought that was kind of funny. Okay. So in sewing we have 50, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 79. We started with 79, so no increase there. Beauty, we started with 90. I think we're probably going to be lower. Let's see, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oh, okay. So we're the same. I do also have a savings challenge for this because I have an appointment in June. Okay, vacay, we started with 175. We now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 10, 25, 225. And I still need to empty this out to pay $300 to my mom. 225. So that's what, 50? Let's double check that. Yep, plus 50. By the way, if you hear that noise in the background, it's my baby monitor. My daughter has bed rails on her bed, and she likes to like hold on to one and bounce on the bed, and the bed rail's so squeaky. So if you hear like a weird noise, that's what that is. Okay, subscriptions. Like I said, we started with 15. We now have 20, 35. 35 in subscriptions. That's plus 20. Emergency, we started with $12.75. We now have 1,001, 250, 70, 85, 12.85. So that is plus 10. Wow, only $10 into emergency in the month. That's not great, but whatever. Debt, we started with 185. We now have 150, 70, 90, 210, 215, 20, 22, 24, 25. 225 in debt. That is building up nicely. So that is plus 40. In Wendy, we have, see, we started with 60. We still have 60. I'm thinking about doing away with this. I don't stuff it that often, and I don't know. I have my fun money to spend if I really want something. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay, medical. We started with 80. We now have 50, 70, 80, 90. I did just get a bill in the mail for something for my son for like $25 or so. So I'll have to pay that. Groceries, we started with 55. We now have 20, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3. 53. So that's actually minus 2. House, we started with 115. We have still 115. Taxes. This one is much lower than it should be, but let's see. We started with 365. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 450, 500. Wow, 550, 570, 590, 610, 15, 20, 1, 2. 622. Why do I have 612? 1, 2, 3, 400. 500, 550, 70, 90, 600, 605, 610, 11, 12. Okay, yeah, 612. 612 in taxes. And that's plus 247. Like I said, that should be much higher, but I haven't been stuffing in as much as I should be. We get a refund every year. So what I'm expecting, and I hope I'm correct, what I'm expecting is to just get less of a refund and not actually owe. And then this money will just kind of make up for what we would have gotten. I'm hoping we don't owe. I really don't know. I know nothing about taxes, so yeah. All right, and tummy tuck, we started with 60 and we still have 60. Okay, halfway through. Black Friday, let's see. We started with 140. We have 100, 20, 40, 60. 160 now. So that's plus 20. Christmas, we started with 400. And we now have 100, 200, 300, 350, 70, 90, 400, 410, 15, 20, 25, 30, 430. $430. So we only added $30 to Christmas this month. But at least we're adding, so that's what matters. Okay. Penelope, we started with 94. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 104. $104, so that's plus 10. Household, we started with 115. This should be higher because I completed a savings challenge. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 50, 60, 70. So 170, 2, 4, 5. 175. I feel like I want to do a condensing again soon, even though I don't need it, just to make these faster and easier to count. 175, so that's plus 60. Clothing, I don't think there's anything new in here. We started with 50. Oh yeah, and now we're down to 10. So $10 in clothing. It's minus 40. Not many minuses this time though, that's great. Car maintenance, we started with 111. We now have 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 21. 121. Plus 10. I mean, the increases are small, mostly, but, you know, they are still increases, so. Holidays, we started with 140. This is going to be lower. 20, 40, 60, 85, because I spent some for Easter. So 85 in holidays. So that is minus 55. Birthdays and gifting, we started with 45. We have 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 55. So plus 10 there. And that's it. All right, now the fun part, to add them all up. Okay, let's see what our ending balance is. $41.29. Woo! That's awesome. $41.29. That's amazing. Now, as a reminder, almost all of this is in the bank, gaining interest, so that is wonderful. Let's see what our difference adds up to. It should be, let's see, $41.29 minus $36.89. It should be $440. We will see. Perfect. Plus $440. Awesome. So we saved $440 in the month of April, which, if you ask me, for someone who has a pretty tight budget as far as having extra money goes, that is amazing. Yes, I love it, love it, love it. So over $4,000 now saved since September of 2022. And honestly, like more than that, right? Because, you know, money comes in and out of these funds as it's spent. So actually more than 4,000. So that is amazing. Love it. Let me know how you're doing with your sinking funds. Are they building up? I know things are just so insanely expensive these days. It's crazy. Are your sinking funds taking a hit because of that? Let me know below. If you have any questions on anything, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here. See you next time. Bye.